What's the warning?
North Carolina, southern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Kannapolis to 4 miles south of Huntersville to 8 miles southeast of Gastonia, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Uptown Charlotte, Kannapolis, Downtown Concord, Central Charlotte, South Charlotte, East Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, Northeast Charlotte, and Northwest Charlotte. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. These
That was lightning that hit the ground?
And intense lightning. Turn off electrical appliances. Do not use corded telephones. Do not take a bath or shower. These storms are also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and their specific location.